Today is the 29th of April 2022. We have Piettasenkatu 14 staircase B here. No, I mean C. Staircase C, because we started at staircase D. Here in Leinola, close to Leinola, here in Tampere, Finland. It's one of the suburbs here. Best is 4 plus 305 grams. And today, Leinola, they will also start constructing the light rail line, hopefully soon. Not to Leinola though, but close from here. The 6 was here. It was built in 1993, probably late 1993, because nearby there's a research building from 1994, and this number is B1 and E1393. Turning 30 years old in next year, 2023, when it will be inspected again with 6 ones. It serves 2 rides.
Yeah.
Because D has just 4 floors. And A has 5 floors. E has 4 floors.
Yeah.
C has 6 floors. This is C, yeah, but I mean B.
Yeah.
B has also 6 floors.
Yeah.
Silent train.
Jeg bedte bakke mais med den balkon.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the stages A, B, and T.
That's